Did you know that the common cooking oils we use daily could be contributing to our health problems? It's a hard pill to swallow, but yes, it's true. Subscribe and let's dive into how you've been tricked, because I'll be making more videos like this in the future to save you the health issues. The oils we've come to consider as kitchen staples, like canola oil, soybean oil, and corn oil, are often high in omega-6 fatty acids. And while omega-6 fatty acids aren't necessarily the bad guys, our bodies need a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Unfortunately, modern diets tend to tip the scales heavily towards omega-6, and that's where the problem begins. See, a high intake of omega-6 fatty acids can lead to inflammation. In the short term, inflammation helps our bodies fight off infections and heal wounds. However, when inflammation becomes a long-term resident, it can contribute to a variety of health problems. These include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and even certain types of cancer. Now that's a pretty hefty price to pay for a bottle of cheap oil. But why are these oils so common? Why do we find them in nearly every pantry across the country? Well, the answer is simple. They're cheap and readily available. These oils are easy to produce on a large scale, making them a go-to option for many food manufacturers and households. But just because something is cheap and easily accessible doesn't mean it's good for our health. Now, we're not here to preach doom and gloom. Instead, we're here to shed light on a hidden health trap in our kitchens and offer a solution. It's time we took a closer look at the oils we use and made conscious decisions about our health. Let's push aside those bottles of canola, soybean, and corn oil and make room for a healthier alternative. And that alternative is avocado oil. Yes, you heard it right, avocado oil, but more on that later. It's a hidden health trap in our kitchens, but don't worry, we have a healthier alternative, avocado oil. Think avocados are just for your toast? Think again. Now let's dive into the world of the overlooked superhero in our kitchens, avocado oil. Often outshone by its more popular cousins, olive oil and coconut oil, avocado oil has been quietly showing us that it's got what it takes to be a kitchen staple. In the sea of cooking oils, avocado oil is like that kid in the class who always gets straight A's but never brags about it. It's high in monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats that your heart loves. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels in your blood, which can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. And guess what? Avocado oil is teeming with them, boasting a whopping 70% content of these heart-friendly fats. But wait, you might say, doesn't oil become unhealthy when heated? Well, that's where avocado oil flexes its superpowers. It has a high smoke point, the temperature at which an oil starts to smoke and break down. Now, why is this important? When an oil reaches its smoke point, it not only starts to taste bitter and unpleasant, but it also begins to lose its nutritional value and can even produce harmful compounds. And here's the kicker. Avocado oil has one of the highest smoke points among cooking oils, clocking in at around 480 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's not just great for sautéing and stir-frying, but it's also a solid choice for grilling and roasting. And let's not forget its low content of harmful saturated fats and almost non-existent trans fats. These are the villains in the oil saga, the culprits behind many health problems. So, by choosing avocado oil, you're not just opting for a healthier oil, but you're also saying no to these harmful fats. So the next time you reach for that bottle of oil in your kitchen, remember this overlooked superhero. Avocado oil is not just a fad, it's a game changer in the kitchen. You might be wondering how avocado oil stacks up against your regular cooking oils. Well, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of it all. When it comes to nutritional content, avocado oil is like the underappreciated kid in school who's actually a genius. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats that help reduce bad cholesterol levels in your blood. And you know what that means? A lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Now that's something your canola oil can't boast about. And let's not forget about the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. This ratio is crucial to our health, and ideally, should be as close to 1-to-1 as possible. But unfortunately, most common cooking oils like soybean and corn oil have a ratio that's heavily skewed towards omega-6. And guess what? Too much omega-6 in our diet can lead to inflammation and other health issues. But avocado oil, it comes in with a healthy balance, keeping your body's inflammation in check. Now, on to the smoke points. The smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which it starts to smoke and break down, creating harmful free radicals. The higher the smoke point, the better the oil is for cooking, especially for high heat methods like frying. Avocado oil has a smoke point of around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly higher than most common cooking oils. This means you can crank up the heat without worrying about creating a toxic kitchen environment. But the icing on the cake? Avocado oil is also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your body from free radical damage. Plus, it's got lutein, a nutrient that's great for your eyes. With all these benefits, it's a wonder we've been overlooking this green gem for so long. So if you're looking for an oil that's nutritious, has a balanced omega ratio, a high smoke point, and extra health benefits, look no further. Avocado oil is the unsung hero in the world of cooking oils. When it comes to nutritional qualities and health benefits, avocado oil clearly outshines the common cooking oils. Now let's talk about how you can use avocado oil in your kitchen. Avocado oil is like the Swiss Army knife of the culinary world. This all-rounder oil is versatile and can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. So let's dive into the various ways you can use this green gold in your kitchen. First, let's talk frying. You know that sizzle and pop when you drop a piece of chicken into a hot pan? That's where avocado oil shines. With its high smoke point, it can handle the heat without breaking down, making it ideal for frying. Whether it's a crispy chicken cutlet or golden brown onion rings, avocado oil is your go-to. Next, sautéing. The high smoke point of avocado oil also makes it great for sautéing. Imagine those thinly sliced garlic cloves dancing in the pan, coated in a shimmering layer of avocado oil. They're getting all golden and fragrant without the risk of burning, thanks to our superhero oil. But avocado oil is not just for high heat cooking, it's also a superstar when it comes to cold dishes. In salad dressings, it adds a smooth, buttery note that pairs beautifully with the tang of vinegar. Try it in your next vinaigrette, and you'll see why avocado oil is a salad's best friend. And let's not forget about baking. Yes, you heard it right. Avocado oil can replace butter in many recipes, giving your baked goods a lighter texture and a subtle, delicious flavor. Next time you're whipping up a batch of brownies, give avocado oil a shot. In essence, avocado oil is a culinary chameleon. It can adapt to whatever cooking method you're using, whether it's frying, sautéing, dressing, or baking. It's like having a secret weapon in your kitchen, ready to boost the flavor and nutritional profile of your dishes. So whether you're sizzling up some steak, tossing a vibrant salad, or baking a batch of muffins, remember that with avocado oil in your arsenal, you're always ready to create something delicious. From frying to drizzling, avocado oil can do it all. Ready to make the switch? Here's what you need to know. So you're intrigued, you're ready to break up with your old inflammatory seed oils and start a fresh new relationship with avocado oil. Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. First, let's talk money. Yes, avocado oil can be a tad more expensive than your common cooking oils. But remember, quality over quantity, folks. And when you factor in the health benefits of avocado oil, it's a no-brainer investment for your well-being. Besides, you don't need to use as much avocado oil as you would with other oils, thanks to its rich flavor and high smoke point. So in the long run, it can actually be cost-effective. Now let's tackle the flavor. Avocado oil has a subtle, buttery taste that's a delightful addition to your dishes. It enhances the flavor of your food rather than overpowering it. But don't take my word for it, try it yourself. Use it in your stir-fries, your salad dressings, or even for frying your eggs. Trust me, you'll be pleasantly surprised. Finally, where do you get this magical green elixir? Well, avocado oil is becoming increasingly popular, so it's pretty easy to find. You can pick it up at your local grocery store, health food shops, or even online. Just make sure you're getting pure, unrefined avocado oil for the best health benefits and flavor. Of course, as with any change in your diet, it's important to transition slowly. Start by swapping out your cooking oil for avocado oil in a few dishes, then gradually increase its use as you grow more comfortable with its flavor and cooking properties. Remember, the switch to avocado oil isn't just about changing your cooking oil, it's about making a conscious choice for better health and better taste. And who knows, maybe once you've made the switch, you'll start looking at other areas in your life where you can make healthier choices. Switching to avocado oil is a simple step you can take for healthier cooking and eating. So, why not take that step today? It's time to give avocado oil the spotlight it truly deserves. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We took a deep dive into the murky waters of common cooking oils, and boy was it unsettling. We found out they're not the health heroes they're marketed to be. Far from it. Soybean oil, canola oil, and their kin are chock full of inflammatory properties that can wreak havoc on our bodies. And the worst part? They're practically everywhere, hiding in plain sight in our kitchens and our meals. But fret not, we also discovered an overlooked superhero in our culinary universe, avocado oil. This little green gem is teeming with health benefits. It's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Plus, it boasts a high smoke point, making it a safer choice for cooking at medium heat. We pitted avocado oil against common cooking oils in a culinary showdown. And guess what? Avocado oil emerged victorious, outshining its opponents on every front. Whether it's about health benefits or cooking versatility, avocado oil takes the cake. Or should we say, it bakes the cake. Speaking of versatility, we also explored how avocado oil can be a jack-of-all-trades in the kitchen. From sautéing veggies to dressing salads, from baking cakes to drizzling over popcorn, avocado oil does it all, and it does it well. And finally, we discussed how to make the switch to avocado oil. It's not about a complete kitchen overhaul, it's about making small, conscious choices. Next time you reach for that bottle of canola oil, pause. Consider substituting it with avocado oil. Start with one meal, then another. And before you know it, you've made a healthier choice for yourself and your loved ones. So that's a wrap on our oil odyssey. We've navigated the slippery slopes of cooking oils and emerged with newfound knowledge and an underdog hero. Subscribe and comment down below. Remember, every drop of oil counts. Make it a healthy one with avocado oil.